Many of our customers told us that they miss traveling, so even in this pandemic, we want to continue to bring new experiences to them.
To do that, we needed to harness technology and transform. Working with STV was the perfect starting point.
We know that we need to adapt, we needed to transform. So even from the very initial stage, we have weekly brainstorm session with staff on ideation on how to move forward. Working with STV basically just bring us to a whole new level.
Our management sounded out to us that there was this potential collaboration with STV on generating ideas for business revenue. Since they suggested this, we thought that it would be a good avenue to potentially grow any business ideas that we have.
We have a few of us from all different departments. We brainstorm on ideas, and then we share the ideas with existing customers to hear from them. We wanted to source for different avenues that we can actually generate income and bringing new experiences to our existing or new customers. So some of the ideas that were generated include bringing the world to Singapore. We went as wild as trying to, close a stretch of Orchard Road to milk a cow. So we came out of the workshop and go through all the different ideas. It's very interesting to hear from customers the reasons why they always come back to us versus why they have never bought from us before.
Our management was actually quite surprised at the ideas that we came up with. For all ideas that we have, we always want them to be a long-term thing so that we can grow these ideas into something bigger. The next steps that we'll be taking will be to have internal meetings to see who will spearhead the idea, and then we'll see the potential costs as well as the potential roadblocks. Previously, we have received assistance from STB through their various grants and funding. It helped us to transform our technology at our company. Ultimately, we're providing Singaporeans new ways to experience Singapore.
A lot of people think of Dynasty as a travel-only brand, but this collaboration with STB has helped us expand our offerings beyond that.